A non-blocking read on the subprocess.PIPE in Python. I'm using the subprocess module to start a subprocess and connect to its output stream, standard output. I want to be able to execute non-blocking reads on its standard output. Is there a way to make readline non-blocking or to check if there is data on the stream before I invoke .readline? I'd like this to be portable or at least work under Windows and Linux. Here is how I do it for now. It's blocking on the .readline if no data is available.
fcntl, select, async rock won't help in this case. A reliable way to read a stream without blocking regardless of operating system is to use q.get_nowait.
I have often had a similar problem. Python programs I write frequently need to have the ability to execute some primary functionality while simultaneously accepting user input from the command line, stim. Simply putting the user input handling functionality in another thread doesn't solve the problem because readline blocks and has no timeout. If the primary functionality is complete and there is no longer any need to wait for further user input, I typically want my program to exit, but it can't because readline is still blocking in the other thread waiting for a line. A solution I have found to this problem is to make stim a non-blocking file using the fcntl module. In my opinion, this is a bit cleaner than using the select or signal modules to solve this problem, but then again it only works on Unix.
Python 3.4 introduces new provisional API for asynchronous I/O, asyncio module. The approach is similar to Twisted-based answer by Brian Ward. Define a protocol and its methods are called as soon as data is ready. See subprocess in the docs. There is a high-level interface asyncio.create_subprocess_exec that returns process objects that allows to read a line asynchronously using streamreader.readline coroutine. With async/await Python 3.5 plus syntax. Readline_and_kill performs the following tasks. Start subprocess, redirect its out to a pipe, read a line from subprocess.asynchronously, kill subprocess, wait for it to exit. Each step could be limited by timeout seconds if necessary.
On Unix-like systems and Python 3.5+, there's os.set_blocking, which does exactly what it says. this outputs. With os.set_blocking commented it.
Esse one de tudo tem olho. Claro, considero subscrevendo.